Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to remove your Instagram account. So to remove your Instagram account, I'll be showing you how you can remove your Instagram account. So to remove your Instagram account, open up your Instagram account, and after that go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, tap the tab bar icon from the top right, and from the drop down menu tap on settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, go to account and account center. Here you'll be able to see all of the information. Scroll down a bit, head over to the section of account settings. Under it, click on personal details. Once you tap on personal details, go ahead and tap on account ownership and control. Over here you'll be able to see two different options such as memorialization or deactivation or deletion. Since you want to remove your Instagram account, go ahead and tap on deactivate or deletion. Here select the particular account that you wish to deactivate or delete. After that, it's going to ask you to select or confirm once again. So tap the either of these options and click on the continue button. In order to remove your Instagram account, you'll need to provide in your password associated with your account. Type in the password as soon as you're done entering the password, or if the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully removed your Instagram account. So in this way you can remove your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.